I thought that this was gonna be a normal Sunday, but in New Jersey there's like a big wind advisory coming. As you can see, the fence is kind of coming down, and over here, our neighbor's two fence is like has already come down. So we want to preserve our fence. Over here, this fence is moving, so we're gonna put on some zip ties so that it doesn't cost us $5,000. I don't know if this is gonna work, but this is all we got until maybe tomorrow. We'll see if this works. I learned this from Papa Palm, Randy
I
Palm.
think you learned it from me.
He learned it from you?
No, I taught you.
Okay. All right. So maybe that'll work right here, and we don't have to spend $10,000.
Wait, look at the chair.
Let's check out the other integrity of the fence. Get attacked. Okay, I think that's good.
This is these
Our umbrella
branches.
was like right over here. It got moved over here.
Wow.
I don't know if we should bring it inside.
Yeah, I think that's pretty safe in there.
over there.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not gonna come in like a spear against us against the window. Crash.
No, it's just gonna get all dirty.
Yeah.
Wait, this doesn't belong here.
Over here. Oh, all the pieces of wood. Maybe we'll use it for some fire. If we had a wood fireplace. Oh my God. Let's get inside. Safety.